Hello student, chapter 5 Metals and Non-Metals part 2. Let's start. Chemical properties of metals. Previous वीडियो में हमने metals और non-metals की फिज़िकल स्टेट देखी थी, फिज़िकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ देखी थी. अब इस स्लाइड में हम लोग केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स स्टडी करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, chemical properties of metals. Reaction of metals with oxygen. Metals form their oxide when react with oxygen. जब मेटल ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं so form their oxide. Metal oxide are basic in nature. For example, reaction of iron metal with oxygen, 4Fe plus 3O2 gives 2Fe2O3. When iron reacts with moist air, it forms rust. Rust is iron oxide articles made of iron such as grills, fencing, etc. are get rusted because of reaction with moist air. Rust is reddish brown in color and is iron oxide. Iron oxide is basic in nature. It turns red litmus blue. Next is reaction of magnesium metal with oxygen. अब मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट कर रहा है ऑक्सीजन के साथ. ओके, 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. When magnesium is burned in air, it forms magnesium oxide. Burning in air means reaction with oxygen. Magnesium oxide forms magnesium hydroxide with water. Solution of magnesium oxide turn red litmus paper blue. This means magnesium oxide is basic in nature. Reaction of metals with water. जब metals water के साथ react करते हैं, generally metals form respective hydroxide when they react with water. Reaction of sodium metal with water. Sodium metal vigorously reacts with water and forms sodium hydroxide along with lot of heat. Reaction of potassium with water. 2K plus 2H2O gives 2KOH plus H2. Potassium metal vigorously reacts with water and forms potassium hydroxide along with lots of heat. Next, reaction of metals with dilute acid. Metals give hydrogen gas when they react with dilute acid. Reaction of zinc with dilute acid. Mg plus 2HCl give MgCl2 plus H2. Zinc gives hydrogen gas along with zinc chloride when it reacts with hydrochloric acid. Similarly, zinc gives hydrogen gas along with zinc sulfate when it reacts with sulfuric acid. This method is used to produce hydrogen gas in laboratory. Reaction of aluminium with dilute acid. 2Als plus 6HCl aqua give 2AlCl3 plus 3H2 gas. Aluminium gives hydrogen gas along with aluminium chloride when it reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, chemical properties of nonmetals. Reaction of nonmetals with oxygen. Nonmetals form their oxide when react with oxygen. Thus, nonmetal form their oxide when reacts with oxygen. For example, reaction of sulfur with oxygen. When sulfur is burned in air, it forms sulfur dioxide. Solution of sulfur dioxide turn blue litmus paper red. Sulfur dioxide forms sulfurous acid when dissolved in water. Thus, sulfur dioxide is basic in nature. Reaction of carbon with oxygen. When carbon is burnt in air, it forms carbon dioxide. You can observe that when coal means carbon is burned in form smoke which contains carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is basic in nature. The solution of carbon dioxide in water turns blue litmus paper red. Reaction of nonmetals with water. Nonmetals generally do not react with water. Rather, some nonmetals which react with air vigorous are stored in water. Reaction of nonmetals with dilute acid. Generally, nonmetals do not react with dilute acid. Corrosion. Next topic is corrosion. This is the picture of corrosion in metals. What is corrosion? Corrosion is defined as the slow and steady destruction of a metal by the environment. It results in the deterioration of the metal to form metal compounds by means of chemical reaction with the environment. आप लोगों ने अपने घर में सुना होगा कि लोहे की चीज़ में बोलते हैं घर वाले कि जंग लग गई. दैट इज कॉल्ड करोजन. ओके. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ करोजन, रस्टिंग. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ करोजन इन मेटल्स. करोजन ऑफ कॉपर. कॉपर में जब करोजन होता है, कॉपर ऑफ सिल्वर. जब सिल्वर में जब करोजन होता है तो नेक्स्ट, prevention of corrosion. Corrosion of metals can be prevented by coating the metals with something that does not allow moisture and oxygen to react with it. Coating of metals with paint, oil, grease prevents the corrosion of metals. corrosion को जब प्रिवेंशन करना है corrosion का, मीन्स उसमें corrosion नहीं लगने देना है. सो हम उसके लिए मेटल्स को कोटिंग कर सकते हैं with the help of paint, oil, grease, etc. Okay student, chapter 5 metal and non-metals part 2 is completed. Thank you.